In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit menu items in Shopify. Whether you're looking to add a new menu item or simply modify an existing one, these instructions will guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. So let's dive in and make your Shopify store's navigation as user-friendly as possible. First off, you'll need to access your Shopify admin panel. Start by navigating to the My Store homepage. From here, we're aiming to reach the content management section, so in the menu on the left, go ahead and click on Content. This will open up a range of options related to the text, imagery, and other media elements within your store. Next, locate and select the Menus tab. Under this section, you'll find a comprehensive list of all the menus currently active in your store, offering you the opportunity to manage how your site's navigation is structured. Choosing the right menu to edit is key, therefore identify the menu you wish to work on. For instance, you might decide to modify the main menu, which is often the primary navigation point for most visitors to your website. Once you've clicked on the specific menu you want to edit, you can directly alter the name of the menu to better suit the content it represents or the layout of your site. If your focus is on refining the menu items themselves, you have a couple of options. You can add a completely new menu item by clicking on Add Menu Item. This is particularly useful if you're rolling out a new product category or wish to highlight a specific area of your store to customers. Alternatively, if you're looking to make adjustments to an existing menu item, simply locate the pencil icon next to it. Clicking this will allow you to make changes, whether it's updating the name, linking to a different page, or altering its position within the menu. Having the flexibility to customize these elements means you can continually tweak and refine your site navigation as your business evolves. Once you've made all the necessary changes, the final step is to ensure your amendments are saved. This is crucial because any unsaved changes won't reflect on your live site. Therefore, don't forget to click Save before exiting the menu editor. This guarantees that all your modifications are in place, offering your visitors an updated and seamless navigation experience. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly edit your Shopify menu items, ensuring that your store remains organized, functional, and user-friendly for your customers. Thanks for tuning in and happy editing.